Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about your first 2 steps after joining LiveGood. Okay, so this video is step 1, but it's going to be kind of combined with step 2. So be sure to watch the video with step 2 so that you will better understand the information given right here in step 1. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to hit like or subscribe to the channel if you want to make money online too. Okay, so the number 1 question I get is, how do I build my team? So unfortunately for me, I've been a salesperson for a long time. So sometimes I assume people know certain things. So I got to do better with that. And that is why I'm probably going to start a series on the exact steps to take. All right. So this video is step 1. Okay, because the first thing I don't want you to do when you join LiveGood is overthink. Don't overthink it. Just get started, right? Because the whole purpose is so that we can build a team and make lots of money. Okay, we don't want just that $2,047 a month residual. Okay, we want to get up to $4,000 or $8,000 a month, or even the $16,000 a month for the diamond members. Okay, so let's get started. All right, step 1, y'all, pull out your phone. I promise you, when you're laying in bed, when you're doing nothing, you don't even have to think about this. All you have to do is copy and paste. Seriously, don't overthink it. Don't assume somebody is not interested. Copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. Go through your contact list. Copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. LiveGood is something that everybody is interested in. Making money the easy way. Now, when I did first start LiveGood, I didn't have my own customized personal domain yet. So I did actually send my long link, but watch step 2 and I'll show you how to get a domain name and how to get started. But what I want you to do for now, copy, paste, copy, paste. Go through your Facebook friends list. Copy, paste, copy, paste. People you've been communicating with on Facebook, copy, paste, copy, paste. Don't overthink it. Just do it. Before you know it, you'll be a bronze level and you'll have 2. Don't forget, like and subscribe to this channel for more videos about making money online the easy way. I'm Katina the Broker. See you next time.